heaven. This is the truth that you must know. That I am heaven on earth. That I am heaven on earth. If ever people will want to know God, they won't look up so that they may see God. But the moment when I appear, they shall see Jesus Christ. The moment when I enter this place of life, they must see Jesus Christ. I must become less and less so that he may become more and more. Meaning that Jesus Christ must appear in your life so that it may show that you are born again.